Good morning, fam. If your body feels tight, sluggish, or stiff before the day even starts, that's not age, it's compression from the chair, from the grind, from everything you didn't move through yesterday. But 5 minutes can change that. Let's hit the mat. We start with two worlds colliding. Reach back into downward dog, hips high, heels stretching down. Then ripple forward into cobra. Chest up, shoulders back, legs rounded. This back and forth wakes up your entire posterior chain, calves, hamstrings, spine, shoulders. I promise this one move alone can decompress your spine and unlock your breath. That tension between your shoulder blades, gone by the end of this minute. Beginners, bend your knees and down dog. Keep elbows soft in cobra. Advanced switches, try transitioning in one smooth wave, like your body is water, not brick. Five more seconds. Let's dial in that control even further. Back to downward dog. Now lift your right leg high, point your toes, keep your hips square for control. This isn't about the height of your leg. It's about teaching your body to stabilize in asymmetry. I promise, moves like this build up stability and spinal strength without ever hitting the gym. Feel wobbly? That's good. It means you're building awareness. Can you hold for 5 more seconds? Lock in, then switch sides. Same thing, left leg high, shoulders strong, breath steady. Does this side feel tighter, lower, stronger? That's your body telling you what it's holding. I promise you these imbalances are why your back might ache after sitting. This corrects that. Slowly, daily, consistently. Five more seconds. Let's shift from float to fire. Come down to your back, bend your knees, feet flat, press one foot into the floor, lift your hips and squeeze. Alternate sides every few seconds. This isn't just a stretch, it's activation. You're waking up the most underused muscle groups in the modern world, your glutes. I promise, this builds spinal support and prevents that midday slouch. And yes, it counts as core work. Beginners, keep both feet down and do regular bridges. Advanced switches, add a pulse at the top. You've got 10 seconds left. Which side feels weaker? That's your homework. Now rise up because we're folding next. Slowly come to standing, feet hip width apart, hinge at the hips, let your spine melt forward, arms hang, head heavy. This is your reset, your full body exhale. Gravity is doing the work for you. I promise this decompresses your lower back, stretches your hamstrings, and slows your nervous system down all at once. Beginners, bend your knees. Advanced switches, keep legs straighter or clasp elbows for a deeper release. Can you soften your jaw, even your eyebrows? 5 more seconds. Now widen your stance. Let's finish with flow. Feet wide, arms reach side to side. Now fold, right hand to left foot, back to center, then switch. This diagonal movement stretches hamstrings, posture, and rewires your brain-body coordination. I promise this isn't just mobility, it's momentum. You're teaching your body to move with rhythm again. Let's play a little game. Can you touch a little deeper each rep? Keep your hips square, core engaged. Five more seconds. Now pause at the center. Let everything settle. You're not just more flexible, you're more connected.